Kingston right now running some errands, but I didn't really vlog much today, guys. We've been on a roll, guys. And I've been enjoying reading y'all's comments every week. I've been enjoying it, and honestly I'm going to be dropping some extra videos in the week. These are not going to be vlogs, these are going to be like sit down talk videos. So it could be topics that you guys would have brought up or want more information from me on, or things that I feel like I need to talk about, you know, in the little niche that I am in, like lifestyle and travel stuff, you know. So I hope you guys enjoy those videos as well. You don't have to watch them, you know, they're not, might not be for everybody, because I know some people like vlogs or prefer vlogs, but yeah. Anyways, I'm yapping because I'm bored, I'm hungry. We'll see what I get to eat. I'm trying to decide what to eat. I need something quick. And when you're in the city, honestly, when you're in Portmore or other city, it's kind of hard to find something quick. You know what I wish I could find, guys? A nice cook shop, some cooked food. But yeah, I'm trying to decide what I'm going to eat. I'm hungry, so we will see. I'll show you guys what I eat if I figure it out, because I don't think I can wait to go home. I definitely can't wait to go home and cook, because if I do that, I can't cook when I'm hungry. I have to just eat something. So we'll see what I get. See y'all when I figure that out.
Daddy, alright now, alright. They made two green too. Be careful. No. Did I tell you someone no, not at all. No. It's green. That's green.
No,
Eh? Been a while. Tell people hello.
hello. How are you guys doing?
Your teeth answer. My dad is asking how you guys doing.
They're not answering.
They'll answer when I post this.
Looks like it's gonna rain. Well guys, that's it for this week's vlog. It was a little chaotic, but we made it through. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm trying to think what I should make you guys comment if you made it this far. I don't know. I hope you guys had a great weekend and a great start to the week, because I know today's Monday. And yeah, I'll see you guys next week. I will be dropping some extra videos this month. They're not gonna be vlogs, they're gonna be like extra content, so probably like on Thursday, so you guys can look out for that. I mean, they're not necessarily for everybody, you know, per se, because I know some of you guys prefer the vlogs, but these are going to be like more chatty videos surrounding questions and content that I know I always get asked about, or things that I feel like talking about. And I'm going to be dropping those this month, so I hope you guys look forward to those, and I hope that you enjoy them. And maybe even when we drop the first one, you guys could let me know what you think about it, and if there's anything else that you'd love me to talk about or to let you guys know about. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the vlog this week. I will see you guys next week. Bye.